Hello everyone, welcome to my channel 12 calls. My name is Ankit and today we have a question about Infosys. Will you buy Infosys here? And we'll look into that, but before that my standard disclaimer. This is only educational video, also a word about me. So yeah, this was 25th of July where we gave a buy call on Infosys with the price target of 1550 and 1640. So 1640 was almost done, okay. So this was 11th of August when Infosys tested till 1631. I'll just consider the target is almost achieved. And this is 6th of September and Infosys from 1630 or corrected and it's currently trading around this 1460 level. So if it comes down little more, couple of percent from here, like say 1440, so that becomes an entry point and we should again expect target of 1610, which is around 12 or 13% from this point. Okay, I'll look into mutual fund holding. So on April it was 57 crore and then if you look into July it went up to 62 crore. So this is around 10% of increase, so which is good. If you look into individual schemes, there are 466 individual schemes that have kept money into Infosys. 466 is like huge, very huge number. This may be top 5 holding of the mutual fund. I think Reliance might be the only company that goes on top of this. Okay, if you look into little detail, there are a lot of company, a lot of schemes that keep up to 30% of their money, 25%. So many of them have kept more than 25% money only into Infosys, which is very good. Okay. So I will conclude here. If Infosys comes something around 1440 rupees, we can buy it for the price target of 1520 and 1610. And this is a short term call. So this movement should come within 2 to 3 months only. Okay. So I'll conclude here. Please do subscribe to my channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.